In my last video, we edited the shop page using the Blocksy theme, and today we're going to edit the single product page. So let's dive right in. If you never used WordPress before and you want to add a theme, you just go over here to the left, hover over Appearances, and then click Themes. As you see, I already have Blocksy installed. If you do not, then you can go to Add New Theme, search for whichever theme you're looking for, and more than likely Blocksy will be on this first page. It's a very popular theme. Next thing you need to make sure that you have is WooCommerce. You can tell I have installed by here, but if you don't, you want to go to Plugins, New Plugin, search up Woo, then it will pop up right here. Then you click Install and Activate. Then you'll be good to go. And another thing you're going to want for this is you're going to want to actually add a product. I'll put a card in the video or a link in the description of how to do that. If you don't add a product, you will not be able to see the changes that we're making. So to start editing your single product page, you can again go over to Appearances. Under Patterns, when you have Blocksy installed, you'll see Customizer. And we're going to want to click on that. As you see, you have a lot of choices. You can have Performance, Sidebar, Colors, General. But what we're interested in down here is WooCommerce and Single Product. Now you see it didn't bring you to a single product, so what you can do is click on Shop, click on an item. Now you'll be able to see what changes we're making. To start off with, we have our layout. As you see right now, by default, it'll be on the normal width. I like narrow width. It just contains everything and makes it look a little bit neater and more organized. But as you see, you do normal width. If you have sidebars, you just change it to have the sidebar on which side you like. I'll go to narrow width. And you can do wide or box, and it's just going to box off all the information. I like a more clean look, so we'll just continue with wide. And vertical spacing, I will put the spacing on the top, bottom. Disable both, just crams everything together with the footer and the header, but top and bottom is probably where you're going to want. Now you have some gallery controls, and that's this here. You can disable the zoom. Now it no longer zooms. You can add a light box, and if we click here, it'll bring up the light box. And sticky gallery, you need to change the content width of the image. And then you can change the aspect ratio. Pretty cool. You can go even further. Just really customize it how you like it to look. A lot of free themes don't have this, and it just is another very nice touch. Thumbnails, that would be if there's thumbnails of how to change the image, and you can do vertical, horizontal, image size. In fact, let's go get one that has that. I believe the hoodie does. There you go, there's the thumbnails. Then we can do vertical, it's gonna put them right there. And you can change it. See, it gives you a lot of control, and even control the spacing of everything. Very, very nice. Now if you click on design, this will change all the colors of everything. You know, the light box color, cover, change it to some weird color. As you see, you can go through this and really customize it however you like. Same thing with the thumbnails. Cool, you can even make a border radius. Make them round. So they give you tons of stuff for free. It is quite amazing. Now let's go ahead and go back. Now we're back in the Generals tab. The tabs, which I believe are those tabs down here, you can disable or enable them. Related products, that's right here. You can disable or enable them. And Ajax add to cart. So if you add a plugin and it already does load the product into the cart without refreshing the page, they give you this option right here, which will disable it, therefore giving it a great ability to work with other plugins. This I cannot underestimate, having the ability to make it so it will work with other Plugins is such a bonus because it gives you a good solid base to build upon. I'm just going to go back to a simple item, a little less cluttered. And now we're going to show you how to edit all this stuff here. Go into elements and add payment method. You'll put payment method, reason to buy. Be nice little things. You can just click down and edit them, rearrange them how you want, add the spacing you'd like. You can hide dividers and just do a whole bunch of nice things to make it look how you want, but not give you too much to really get yourself lost. And then you can even change all the fonts and colors by hitting this design tab. And in this, you can change the font size. You can change it per device, which is really awesome because you might not want huge font size for that. Make it small so it fits your phones. And as you say, massive amount of control, all for free. And all the color controls, hovers, and everything. The great thing about the Blocksy theme is that it's free, so you can download it and try it for yourself and play around with it and really customize your website exactly how you want without having to pay a dime. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!